Joke. Here goes nothing. We got a winner! Yeah, that's it. It's a Toro TurfMaster 30-inch. And AI says that it's a 2013 model. So, it's not that old. It does have some use though. It's got some hours on it. It's pretty beat up, you know. It's got some typical commercial use damage, but nothing too crazy. And I damn near got it for free. Here's the carburetor. I took off the air box. So you take off this screw, and then you take off these two that hold the air cleaner onto the carburetor. Once you take that off, three of them, once you take those three off, then this slides out. This carburetor slides out. But I'm going to slide it forward and then do what I usually do. So I need to remove this pin. I usually use a needle nose, but let's see if I can do it. So we got two springs. So we got a spring for the choke and a spring for the regular butterfly, which is interesting to me. Fuel filter here. Looks like I am going to have to get the needle nose. Here we go. We got this carburetor. Looks like it's full of fuel, so it's obvious that the jets are clogged, and what we're going to need to get that is the welding tip cleaner that I showed you guys several times on the channel. And we're going to open up this carburetor, and we're going to loosen up. They're going to open up this nut on the bottom here, which should be the same number 10. It's not too bad in there. Oh, can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. It does not look like you can see it. You don't want to drop your carburetor. Definitely don't want to drop your carburetors. But let me know if you can see this. It's kind of a bad angle. Let me lift you up. Get you up here. Okay. So a little bit of water was in there, but not much. But that can easily mean that there's some corrosion in the carburetor jets. So let's we need to get to the main jet, which is in that hole. All right, so we're gonna have to get a flathead, get down in there and crack that open and pull out the main jet. We have to use a 1/4 inch, but my 1/4 inch has hips on it. That might make it difficult to get in there. 1/4 inch has hips, and the hips don't lie. But that's exactly what I need. So let me look at some bits. Perhaps a bit can get in there. I use a 1/4 inch bit, which seems to be the right size. There we go. Yeah, so 1/4 inch bit will undo the main jet. Now, this jet has been taken out and cleaned many times. Gotta look at this. So the jet has been cleaned to the point where the Phillips groove is stripped. And so now I think what I need to just do is poke the hole through to clear it. I'm not going to be able to poke the side holes, but if I poke the main jet, it'll clear the clog and then run. So let's get that done. Take my welding tip cleaner. We'll use a medium thick one. I don't know what size this is, don't ask me, but I'm gonna poke this. It's clogged, and I just broke the clog free. And then I'm gonna rub it back and forth. So we poked it free. Now we gotta screw it back in, put it on, and start cutting. Then we should have a $800 to $900 mower that I almost got free. Basically, it's free. All right, and now let's get this back on the mower. So the fuel line goes here. I'm gonna put that on last. But let's get these two things on here. Then, okay. So now I have a little bit better view here for you, and we're going to set this carburetor back on here. So this goes to the back, this goes to the front. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by. Need to go under. I'll go under. The horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. If that fits any better. Yeah, starting to feel like it's more natural this way. Another rod. Okay. Now slide the carburetor on. Yeah. Okay. Carburetor is back in position. And now I need to get the air box back on. And carburetor nuts. I like to start nuts with my hand first. Then I'll use a tool. For leaks, I'm probably going to have a drip because this gasket was actually not. Turn on the signature. Blue. Okay. Choke. Here goes nothing. So it runs. We got to engage the blade somehow. All right. Transmission's working. Hey! We got a winner. We got a winner. Once I make it look pretty, a little bit of spray paint, I guess whatever handle this is down here, a lever that I need to control this. We got working blades, working transmission. Um, man, this is a great machine. Wow. All right. Yeah. What? How much do you guys think I should sell it for? You think I should let it go quickly? Maybe not.